Can you guess where we're at? Or who we're with?
Knott's Berry Farm.
Oh, Rogan already said it.
We're at Knott's Berry Farm. We're taking over Knott's Berry Farm for the next couple days, and we're celebrating quite a few different things. But today is Grandma's birthday. We're also celebrating 600,000 subscribers on YouTube, 800,000 followers on TikTok, and Riley is also about to hit 20,000 subs on YouTube. So we got a lot of stuff going on, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us.
Today we're headed to the park, and then tomorrow we're gonna be going to the water park. Rogan's kind of nervous. He gets a little nervous when he doesn't know what to expect. We've never been here. I've never been here. Have you been here?
No.
The last time I came out was about Riley's age.
We're gonna eat all the yummy food, ride all the fun rides.
We're also gonna see who's the first to chicken out. I know it ain't gonna be me.
It was me at the Legoland.
What's this one called?
I did not know.
He's a little nervous. It's his first ride of the day. It's called
Pony Express.
You get to ride a little pony.
The Pony Express. Yo. Get up! Yay! What do you get out of 10?
I give it like an 8.5.
8.5 out of 10? Hey, good job.
What'd you think of your first ride of the day?
I give it like an 8.5.
I thought it was pretty cool. I didn't know it like took off really fast like that. It was cool.
I was like looking at you guys and then you were gone. I'm coming after you. I'm coming after you too.
I'm coming after you. What you talking about?
All right. Oh, Rogan! Rogan, let's go get Mom. Let's go get Mom. Oh, sis! Oh, I'm gonna get you, Rogan. Oh, Mom got you? How rude. What do you think? Fun? What do you think, sis? Too many cars?
Yes.
All right, so time for a big roller coaster. I don't think Rogan's going on this. You want to go on this one? Sis, you going?
Scary.
Look at this thing. Holy.
I like the color.
It looks pretty gnarly. I'm excited. Riley's going with me, but it's definitely too much for Rogan. Let's get it.
Bye.
I guess she's not scared of roller coasters.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
We're literally going straight up. All right, here we go. Holy. Holy. We go? Oh. Oh my God! No! 600K, baby!
What are we on, Rogan? A space needle? David, what's this ride called?
Sky Cabin.
Sky Cabin.
Birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha. We're going on that next. Okay. We're at the water ride. Because it's hot out here.
I tried to offer Riley, I said I'll sit in the front so I can take all the water and block it for her, but she wants to get wet, so. Are you guys ready? Thank God for the fast pass. If you guys are coming to Knott's Berry Farm, you gotta get the fast pass. We just saved about an hour on this ride. Oh, it's getting dark, here we go. I really don't want to get wet. I really don't want to get wet.
Me neither.
Oh, we're starting to move now.
We're going to see.
Oh, and Riley and I are going on that one next too. Look at that cool waterfall.
Oh no, it's getting dark.
Ah, boy! Oh my God! Danger, danger, blasting ahead! Oh no! Oh my God! That wasn't that bad at all, huh? Not bad, not bad. Please remain seated. 10 out of 10, what do you give it?
I give it like a 5.
A 5? 5, 5, 5. Perfect timing. All right, sis, here we go. Let's go, Grandma! Holy crap! Let's go! I feel like I'm flying! Oh my God! Yeah! Let's freaking go! Holy bro! Oh my feet are gonna fall off! Woo. All right, Rogan loved this ride, so we're doing it back to back. He's still drippy from the last time.
Oh my God!
Yo, look at the bear eating the salmon. Right there. Oh no! I can see your whole tattoo through your wet shirt. You're soaked.
Let's do it again.
Okay, so this is what we do when we're waiting in line?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, it's wobbling.
Carry you in real life or what?
Don't mind him, he's a little drippy.
Thank you.
Thank you, you guys have a good one. Okay, Grandma was in charge of the room. Oh, are we at the very end again? Woo! Don't put your feet on the bed. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Well, what do you know?
Look at this rooster.
Should I chase it off?
No, it will attack you. Where are we going to dinner at?
We're going to Friday. I was like, that's a big rooster.
We forgot to let the phone eat first.
Ribs, fries, salad. Right, we got a burger. Grandma got some salad. I'm hungry. Time to eat. How old do you guys think she is? I mean, how young do you guys think she is? Sorry. How young do you think?
Did you hear him? That's my age, 26. You got it right.
26.
Woo-woo!
All right, so to end the night off, we got the kids their first funnel cake.
Let me see it. Hold on.
You know, you got to do the powdered sugar. You got to get the strawberry toppings. You'll like it, okay? Oh, well, more for me. So that's the end of day one.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Shout out to Knott's Berry Farm. That was a lot of fun. I'm pretty tired. How about you guys?
Yeah.
Ugh, he's still dancing.
Tomorrow we got the water park, so stay tuned for the water park.
I'm done with roller coasters. They hate me.
We're here. Water park. Day 2. Here we come. We're gonna go find our cabana.
Something about shark hunters.
So we're gonna find our cabana and then we'll give you guys a tour of our cabana.
Bye.
This is our cabana. We got a table, we got some loungers, we got a safe, and we got some tubes.
Welcome to VIP, Rogan. Yo, this is gonna be wild today. I'm excited. All right, we're at the water park. We got Grandma, Mom, sis, me, Rogan. We're riding the first ride of the day. First ride of the day is a family ride. I hope nobody quits on a family ride.
It's going to be Grandma.
You ready for this ride?
Yeah, I'm not quitting out. This is an easy ride.
Here we go.
That was actually scary. I felt like we were going to flip.
What about you, sis? What'd you think?
It was fun.
It was chill?
I was backwards the whole time.
See you in a bit. Now we're going on our first by yourself. So there's a good chance that somebody might chicken out. Cross your legs. Oh, he's got this. Woo! Ready? Go. You want to do it again? You were scared and now you want to do it again. Let's go.
I went on the orange one right there if you toy around. Now I'm going on this big blue one. It looks very fun. I still got with 2. Go on, baby. I'm not scared. I'm not quitting this challenge. So I'm about to go on wave chasers. Here I go.
Have fun.
Bye. Let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Yes, sir! Let's go! This is the key, baby! The windows fucking go! Oh no! Here I go! Oh! Perfect!
Going on a double ride. We got the double tube. Me and Riley.
Me, Rogan.
Hold up. Whoa! You're going so dark, so dark!
Let me see. Can we see him? Yeah.
Hey, what's happening? All right, so first of all, we're all extremely tired. The last couple days have been way too much fun, but it's catching up to us now. We always stop here and pick up sticks and eat on the way home. You guys watch the vlogs. You guys have seen that this is our go-to spot. Did you like Knott's Berry Farm or the water park more? The water park? What about you?
I like Knott's Berry Farm. Is that where it pinched me?
So Riley picked Knott's and he picked Soap City.
I hope you guys liked the video.
Tell comment if
And eat with your